Good morning, everybody. Let us read another beautiful poem of our textbook, and the name of the poem is The Rebel. So, the word rebel tells us about the person who does not obey rules. The one who defies the rules is a rebel. It may be in normal life or some other place. Do you know anyone who always disagrees with you or your friends? Or likes to do the opposite of what everyone thinks they should do? You must be knowing someone or any of your friends who do not agree with you or your friends about whatever you want to do. Think of a word to describe such a person. What word you will use to describe such a person who do not agree with others? Discuss with your partner some of the things such a person generally does. Let us read the poem. So when everybody has short hair, the rebel lets his hair grow long. See, what are the qualities of a rebellious person? When everyone is having his hair short, the rebel has his hair grown long. Or when everyone has short hair, a rebel has long hair. When everybody has long hair, the rebel cuts his hair short. But when everybody has taken a haircut, has short hair, the rebel, or when everybody has long hair, the rebellious person has short hair, as he always does opposite to what the other persons do. When everybody talks during the lesson, during the class, the rebel does not say a word. When everyone keeps on talking during a class, a rebel student does not speak a word, does not speak a single word. When nobody talks during the lesson, the rebel creates a disturbance. But when everybody is silently listening the lesson or attending the lesson, the rebel creates a disturbance. The rebel starts disturbing the class, creating problems, creating nuisance. When everybody wears a uniform, when every student comes wearing a proper uniform, the rebel dresses in fantastic clothes. And the rebel wears very beautiful clothes and not the uniform. When everybody wears fantastic clothes, when everyone is wearing beautiful clothes, the rebel dresses soberly. The rebel dresses properly, good, sober clothes. In the company of dog lovers, the rebel expresses a preference for cats. When the people sitting at a place and they love to have dogs, or when they are of the interest of dogs, they love to have dogs, or when they say that they love dogs, the rebel says, no, he loves a cat. In the company of cat lovers, and when the people sitting are of cat lovers, the rebel says he loves dogs. So he does always opposite to what everyone does. When everybody is praising the sun, when everyone is praising, talking good about the sun, the rebel remarks on the need for rain. The rebel says that it is necessary to have rain. when everybody is greeting the rain, when everyone is welcoming the rain, when everyone is there to welcome the rain, the rebel regrets the absence of sun. The rebel says that there must have been sun. When everybody goes to the meeting, the rebel stays at home and reads a book. When everybody attends meetings, the rebel stays at home, remains at home and reads a book. When everybody stays at home and reads a book, the rebel goes to the meeting. The rebel always does opposite to what the common people do. So when everyone is at home, he would prefer to go to meeting. And when everybody says, yes please, the rebel says, no thank you. When everybody is there, ready to help others, and in a welcoming tone says, yes please, the rebel answers, no thank you. The rebel denies. When everybody says, no thank you, the rebel says, yes please. And when everyone denies, the rebel says, yes. It's very good that we have rebels. You may not find it very good to be one. It's very good that we have people who do not go with the company, but you may not find it very good to be one. You may not find it's good to be a rebel, because we always love the people who goes with the company, those who helps to live or love to live in the company of others. So this is how the word rebel is described in the poem. So I think you have understood the meaning of the word rebel properly. Thank you.